My name is Eden.
Hi, my name is Summer.
Hi, my name is Sina.
And guys, what can we make for a snack today?
Oh, I know. Let's make yogurt ice blocks.
And Summer, would you like to put some passion fruit in it?
Yes.
And Sina, would you like to put the blackberry over it? Great, guys. Who would like to mix it? It smells wonderful.
Now we are going to put the yogurt mixture into the container.
Who would like to do it?
I will. In goes the mixture of yogurt.
Now we will put the sticks in the yogurt.
Hey Summer, what can we make?
Well, we can make some hot crumpets and a fruity yogurt topping.
Let's decorate with mango.
Okay, slide the bowl.
Now we have to cut bananas in half.
These bananas are going to go well with the hot crumpet. And now we are going to put it inside the bowl with the yogurt and the banana.
Now we are going to get a kiwi fruit and cut it.
Let's mix it. Well, now our crumpets are really yummy and toasted. We are going to put some of our fruity yogurt on our crumpet. And drizzle some juice around it, like so. Well, let's see if our yogurt ice blocks are ready. Yep.
Let's try putting this on.
Yum.
Ooh, wonder where the girls are gone. Ooh, what's this? Car pie.